Uh, so hey guys, in this video we'll be exploring lab 3, which is HTTP load balancer with Cloud Armor. Cloud Armor is a tool provided by Google Cloud for load balancing. Now what load balancing is, how HTTP requests are handled, how multiple requests are handled. Suppose there are a lot of users trying to access the same website. The users will create an HTTP request that the server has to handle. Now Cloud Armor is equipped with such tools, and it will also help you prevent DDoS attacks. DDoS attacks are attacks where where a hacker tries to send a lot of requests to your website so that it slows the performance of your website. For example, if your examination results are out, if a lot of number of people are sending this request, then the website slows down. So let me get started. One in cloud console. Configure HTTP and health check firewall rules. So we know how to create firewall rules. Now we'll just do this. Path of VPC network and firewall. Okay. VPC network firewall. I'll add this. Notice the existing ICMP. There are also existing rules जो यहाँ पे network में provided है. Create firewall rule and use these configurations to default. Default allow specific targets server. Before ranges. ठीक है TCP type IT. Then click create. So I'll go over here and click create. Check the health firewall rules. Health check determine which instances of load balancer can receive connection. Okay, so your firewall rules must allow these connections. Create a new firewall rule with these options. So I'll do that again. IPv4 ranges, and these are the two ranges. ठीक है specified protocol, check ITCP. So we'll go here, TCP, create. So after that is created, I'll check my progress here. one complete. Configure instance templates and instance groups. Configure instance templates. तो any cloud group so अभी instance template. Now let me go to cloud console, compute engine, instance template. So these are predefined templates for our virtual machines. So I think we'll be using this in this lab. So create instance template. Configure the instance template. Okay. Name like this. Select series E2 machine type E2 micro advanced options networking में जाके ये select करना है E2 micro advanced options में जाकर this networking में जाकर network tag लगाना है HTTP server. And then click default network interfaces. Okay. Done. Default your west one. So the network tag ensures that the HTTP and health check firewall rules apply to these instances. Okay. Click the management lab under metadata. Okay. Okay, so just go over there. Number this under default. I can select your west one. Start correct. Your west one. Done. And then under management, I'll have to go there. Close networking. Under management, add metadata, add item, key value. Okay, so copy this key. Click create, wait for the instance to be created. Okay, okay. So I'll click create and I'll wait for this instance to be created. And then copying this template. Okay, create similar option. Okay, okay. US first one template. Okay, okay. So I'll create a similar template to that previous template that we just created. I'll create similar. Okay. And इसका name मुझे देना है this advanced networking. इसके बाद सीधा यहाँ पर आ चाहिए एडवांस्ड ऑप्शंस नेटवर्किंग में जाकर ठीक है नेटवर्क टैब HTTPS This default device password ठीक है नेटवर्क टैब में ओके एंड देन डिफॉल्ट उसके बाद डिफॉल्ट US West1 ठीक है and then we're done go here and then I'll go here and then done and create so यहाँ पर I'll create my second template of instances तो 2 templates बन गए अब मैं कितने चाहे उतने virtual machines बना सकता हूँ based on these templates so create and manage instance groups create the managed instance groups create a managed instance group in Europe West1 and one in US West1 okay still incomplete click instant groups left menu create instance group ठीक है now select one of these create a managed instance group in this and one in this click instance groups in the left menu click create okay तो okay यहाँ पर आके मुझे I need to click on instance groups instance templates instance groups instance templates machine instance group okay create instance group ठीक है तो click select menu okay name location multiple zones now region is Europe West1 template 1 2 region is Europe West1 template this is 2 number of instances max minimum number of instances 1 2 30 initial so this is 1 and this is 2 and this 2 somewhere around 40 ठीक है so now 80 initialization so यहाँ पर 80 seconds and then I can basically create this click create repeat US first ठीक है wait for this group to be created and then okay verify the backend so HTTP load balancing ठीक है so I'll just go there speed down this. Create instance of US यूरोप का था, अभी मैंने यूएस का करूँगा। ठीक है, so multiple zone US West 112 civilization, multiple zones, US West 1, okay, even allow, okay, यहाँ पे 1, यहाँ पे 2. So what is happening is it will allow minimum number of instances 1 and the maximum number of instances 2 to manage this HTTP request. So auto scaling initialization period should be 4 to 5 and some maximum CPU scaling schedules. ठीक है, target yes system paired US one. ठीक है, so US West one auto scaling mode initialization period. So, wait. So after both of these are created, I'll just verify progress. Okay, after yes is created, I'll just go to check progress. Assessment complete. Verify the backends. Now I have to verify the backends. अब मुझे still incomplete engine click VM instances on the left menu. Okay, ठीक है. But I don't want to do this because it's not okay. Let's configure the HTTP load balancer. तो okay, HTTP load balancer configure करना है और test करना है. I'll just start the configuration. ठीक है. Network services, load balancing, create load balancer. ठीक है, तो अब मैं network services में जाऊँगा. Network services with that. Network services is network services. उसके बाद I'll go into load balancing, create load balancer. ठीक है, तो load balancing, create load balancer. Okay, तो okay. So there are various kinds of load balancer. I'll create an HTTPS load balancer. yes, this configuration means that the load balancer will attempt to keep the instance of this group below 80% CPU utilization. Okay, so I'll click done. For health check, click create a health check. Okay, so okay, create, go to issues, health check, create health check. TCP80 done. Create. So save, click check enabling box, sample rate to 1. Okay, create. Now check enabling box and set sample rate to 1. Now this is our load balance that is being created. I need to edit this, and what do I need to edit? I need to edit backend configuration. Edit this. Inside here, okay. Okay, wait, let me get here. Click save. Check enable login box. Check box and send sample rate to 1 update. So yep, I'll just update that and update. Okay, so okay. Now the only two sections that are left in this is checking the load balancer. अब load balancer check कैसा करते हैं बोले तो हम एक virtual machine create करेंगे और फिर उसके through we'll try to send the HTTPS requests. So we'll create a virtual machine to simulate the load on HTTP load balancer using Siege and then determine. Okay, so my computer click instance, I'll create an instance. So okay, copy this, take this, control V, enter. तो हमारे SSH remote VM में ये इंस्टॉल हो चुका है Siege named package. So now what I'll do is I'll exploit these variables. Run. Wait, okay. Replace me with the IPv4 address. I'll go back to my load balancer, which was networking के अंदर. VPC network networking services. ये जो लोड बैलेंसर है यहाँ पर इसका IP एड्रेस क्या है? Okay, I'll go here, IPv4 and IPv6 on this. यहाँ पे enter control ठीक है. I am copying the IPv4 address of our load balancer. I'll take this command and paste it into SSH. So let me do that. And इससे एक वेरिएबल बन जाएगा उसके बाद then I can run this exact command. I'll run this exact command, and what it will tell me is click networking services load balancing, click backend, click hash backend. New configuration added to this. Run -t to use setting in that file. Skip one. Load balancing, click backend. ठीक है, HTTP backend. Okay. And then I have to go here, navigate to this, and click on monitoring tab. Okay. So from this, click navigate to this, and click on monitor. So okay. So इस basically ये task में check ये कर रहे हैं कि after launching an HTTP request उसको monitor किया जा रहा है. Monitoring tab. So let's go over there. Right. So now I just click over here. Yep, these are the transactions ये बता रहा है. So I'm correct. The thing is, load has been balanced, and this demonstrates that the traffic due to this demonstrates that by default traffic is forwarded to the closest backend. If the load is very high, the traffic can be distributed across these backends. So these both backend देखो ये जो both locations थे वहाँ पर distribute हो रही है if the traffic is increasing. So this is the thing. Okay, ठीक है. Network security and cloud armor. Now we are trying to use cloud armor. Network security and cloud armor. I'll just leave this network security. So after I click this, यहाँ पे मुझे cloud armor में जाना है. Okay. Create policy. What the hell happened? Click cloud armor. Create policy, and this is the name of the policy. Control C. Control create policy. The name of the policy. ठीक है. Default add rule. Okay. तो okay, add rules option. Add rule. Deny. Wait. Action deny. Configuration policy. So यहाँ पे क्या है? Default action I need to set it to allow. So यहाँ पे आऊँगा मैं default action set to allow. उसके बाद rules में आऊँगा. उसके बाद basic. उसके बाद action में आऊँगा मैं. And I'll just go over here. And condition match this. Okay, enter the CIP. Condition match में enter the CIP. यानी कि once this वाला IP address will try to, once this virtual machine will try to access, क्या करेगा? So let me get here. Action deny. Okay. So what this is doing is कि action deny forbidden, because दूसरे ports अगर access करने की कोशिश करेंगे, so it will allow, but only this इसको deny कर देगा. So let me go over there. Next, add target for typeset local. Done. Priority. Yeah, priority. Which right? So let me go back. Priority 1000. This priority done. So create policy. Okay, so now what I need to do is यहाँ पे मैं जाऊँगा. Okay, done. Click next time, add target. Click add target for typeset load balancers. Okay, next. Okay, add target. Available set to target. Load balancing services. HTTP load balancer. उसके बाद I have added this target. उसके बाद click create policy. Check my progress. ठीक है, because I have added that policy. Now I'm checking the progress. Now, I hope this session was helpful. But this is an optional part. I'll explain you what happened just now. The virtual machine that we just created in this lab, उसको हम लोग blacklist कर रहे हैं. What we're doing is हम लोग blacklist कर रहे हैं CVM to the virtual machine that we created. So let me just run this. इससे होगा क्या कि whenever our virtual machine is trying to access that port, उसको request आएगा कि see, as you can see here, it is an error. So the output should look like this. But Okay, so nothing is such. There's another command that will simulate the load. तो ठीक है, I can run all these commands and then मुझे एक ऐसा JSON दिखाई देगा. So, all right, that this was a network and security lab, and I hope you guys